Hey, you're watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cool version of the letter A. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now before I get into the supplies, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper and a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. We will need a light blue and an orange. Now you guys can use any colors you want and use your own creativity for this character. Now I think we'll do really great. Let's go try to draw a cool version of the letter A. Let's see what we can come up with.
To start off, we're going to begin by making a huge bubble letter A. Awesome, once we finish that, we're going to begin to add two eyes up top. So we're just going to make two circles right above the A that we just made. Now in each circle that we just made, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill it in. Now the fun part about this is you can give your character eyelashes or big eyebrows or hair if you want. We're going to go ahead and we're going to give eyelashes to our character right now though. Now right below those eyes that we just made, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give our character a smile and a nose and a couple freckles for a little bit of character. Now to the right side of the A, we're going to add an arm and hand on the right side, and then over on the left side, we're going to do the same thing. Now one of the last steps will be to add feet at the bottom of our A. This is how to draw a cool version of the letter A. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your A with us.